Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious broccoli on your stove in just a few minutes. First, grab a fresh head of broccoli and give it a good wash under cold running water. Then, trim off the thick, woody bottom stem. Carefully cut the remaining broccoli into small, bite-sized florets, aiming for pieces roughly 1 inch in size for even cooking. This preparation ensures everything cooks perfectly. Blanching is a secret trick to achieving that vibrant green color and a delightful, tender crisp texture in your broccoli. To do this, fill a medium-sized pot with about 4 cups of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt to the water. This seasoning enhances the flavor of the broccoli. Now, place the pot on your stove and bring the salted water to a vigorous, rolling boil over high heat, preparing for the next step. Once your water is boiling vigorously, carefully add all of your prepped broccoli florets into the pot. You'll only need to cook them for a very short time, typically between 2 to 3 minutes. Overcooking broccoli can make it mushy, so keep a close eye on it. To check for doneness, simply pierce a floret with a fork. It should feel tender but still have a slight bite to it, perfectly crisp. As soon as the broccoli reaches that perfect tender crisp stage, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly drain all the hot water using a colander to stop the cooking process instantly. For an even brighter green and to ensure it doesn't continue cooking, you can briefly dunk the broccoli into an ice bath for about 30 seconds. Afterward, transfer your beautifully cooked broccoli to a serving dish. Now comes the best part, seasoning your delicious, vibrant broccoli. A simple drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a fresh squeeze of lemon juice, and a dash of black pepper work wonders. For a richer flavor, you could melt a tablespoon of butter in a separate skillet and briefly toss the cooked florets. Serve this healthy and appealing side dish warm and enjoy your perfectly cooked stovetop broccoli.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.